Hi and welcome everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to add a comment on a post in Parler. So, in the first step, launch Parler. Now, for today's example, we're going to be using our own post from previous videos. It's a little buggy, let me just refresh. Okay, it's better now. So, to add a comment, you have to click on this little comment icon to the left. And right there you have to basically put in your comment content. So let's, for example, type in cool with an exclamation mark. So if you're ready, you just have to click on submit. Let us refresh. And as you can see, our comment has been added. And yeah, that's it. That's how you add a comment to the post in Parler. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.